Canadian winter, part 2. Look at them branches again. More ice than branch. Check it out. So last night we hear crash, crash, crash. What happened? Our tree just came down. Large pieces. Oh, mama. Check it out. Oh, it's dangerous. You can hear the crackling. I want to stand under it. But our tree is now very bare. Half its branches are cracked and hanging down. Meantime, let's look at these. Berries. Stuck inside little ice balls. So cool. Not bad. Sounds like another one's gonna come down soon. It's cracking. And from that tree too. All the tall trees are breaking down. So cool. What do we got? Something sounds like it's gonna crack. If we can get it on film, I'll let you know.